Hi students, this is Dr. Duncan. I'll be your instructor this semester for your fully online English 102 class. I want to clear that up at the beginning because as you may notice on this class, it lists more than one instructor. If we click on show more, it even has Dr. Monty, as Dr. King, as well as myself. And the explanation for this is twofold. Dr. King is the department chair over English, and Dr. Monty had been originally signed. And so there's this clutter we can't get rid of, and it's annoying. I'm a department chair too. I'm department chair over humanities and fine arts. So my name will almost always be on your speech class, your art appreciation class, your music appreciation classes. But I won't be your instructor for those. I do teach English, I teach humanities, I teach theater appreciation, theater courses. So sorry for the confusion there, but you'll notice that all the correspondence will come from me. And if you read your welcome letter here, you will see very important information that you need to know at the very beginning of the course, and it identifies me as your instructor, but also how we do your attendance. And if you need to get a better, computer, laptop, because Chromebooks work for Blackboard, but they don't work with ProctorU. So there's about tutoring. I'm not going to take the time to read all this to you. I just want to show you some important things. Starting here, you click on these buttons. I'm going to assume some of you, this is your first online experience, but the course syllabus lays out what's required. When you click on these, then you can download the file, or you can click on the arrow and just view the file and read through it, because it has very important information. Now that you're in college, and for 102, that 99% of the time means you're a second semester student, either with us or from transferring from another college. And so we're treating you as adults, and online coursework means you have to proactively engage in the instructional materials. A lot of that is reading, and the rest of that is watching videos. So you need to carve out time to do both. Thank you for taking the time to watch this one. I just want to orient you to the course real quickly, welcome you to the course, and make sure that you kind of go through and spend some time here. I do want to talk about ProctorU. ProctorU is the online testing site that we use, and I won't read all the details, but it takes a link to there. That's the link. You need to go ahead right away and set up an account and make sure that the computer you have is compatible. If it isn't, don't panic. That gives you a few weeks till the midterm, which is early in March, to make sure you have a computer for the midterm exam that you can use for that testing time. There are other links about that in here, your weekly assignments, and you'll see the first couple. Well, actually, I have the first 8 weeks all laid out, and I'll talk more about them in detail, as we go. There's a plagiarism module. There are a lot of students are tempted to plagiarize for a lot of reasons, but it gets them in trouble. And they're really tempted in this class because we study literature that a lot has been written about, and but yet we also can tell. So there's some video instruction to make sure you understand what we're qualifying as plagiarism. And then I see what you already know about MLA citation. You might have already learned that. Maybe you have, I hope so, in your 101 class, maybe in high school. So this will help kind of see what you remember and already know. And then there's a plagiarism quiz. So I know you have a ton of stuff to do at the beginning, so I'm giving you about 10 days to make sure you do that module. There's instructions for how to reach out to me. Oh, I got to update that. I am in the Birmingham campus right now, but that is by appointment if you come on campus. But my email hours are 8 to 5. You'll get a quick response. There's a Q&A. Sometimes I may ask you, if you send me an email about something that's kind of already there, I may ask you, did you post this in the discussion board first? And don't be offended. If it's your question, it might be their question as well. So, you want to make sure that that I answer the question for everybody, actually. Okay, let's see. All right, well, I just want to kind of preview that and say be sure that you are checking announcements and things like that. And read through everything carefully before you send me an email because I guarantee you it's here somewhere. Doesn't mean sometimes it isn't showing, but it is there. There's a ton. All the information you need really is here. And if you're having trouble finding it, start with the Q&A discussion board to check out what other students may be asking, and I can answer it there for everybody. All right, that's it for now. I look forward to just sending you little videos from time to time or just posting things to help you understand the material better and what we're trying to accomplish each week.